Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is one of my favorite vegetables. Most people don't like spinach. I like spinach. And it comes in a can. And back in like maybe 1960s, I'm not sure, but when they first came out with an electric can opener that you could just hook it up here and zip it around and it would take that lid off and boom, you could dump out the contents. Well, this is what I remember they looked like. This kind of form factor. Notice the shape, size, and it had a gizmo here that you put the can under and then you push down on the lever and then it would cut this top out. Well, when Jeff showed me this, when he bought a bunch of radios about a month ago, I said, Jeff, why did you bring me your can opener? And he goes, no, it's not a can opener, it's a radio. It certainly looks like a can opener. So let's try it out here. It's AM and FM. Big speaker down here. There's the tuning dial. Up here we have two wheels. One is on-off volume, and the other one is the tuning wheel. That's it. There's no earphone jack or anything. It's AC only. Let's just see how it plays. It looks like brand new.
42-0, 42-7. It's got to be a blowout. Quarterback doesn't even matter. But going forward, that schedule gets harder. And if senior shot's not 100%, which it doesn't.
This is a 9 transistor. It's an Admiral model TRRS-6000. Jeff says it's a vintage 1965. About that time can openers came out, electric can openers came out. So let's tune the band here a little bit. We're on AM and let's go down to the end of the dial. Let's see, end of the dial would be this way. I think we're on AM. Let's see, the AM FM switch is right here. Yep, it's in AM. So let's turn it back up. Struggling a little bit in my office.
That's not bad in baseball when you're a pitcher.
The dial is a little hard to read. It's kind of recessed and it's dark. There we go.
In college football, he came on Thibodeau. He was out.
Good audio.
The defensive end did not play with him.
Yep, lots of interference. Whoa. It's sure picking up my computers. Oh, the other thing is, since we're on the 8 AM or medium wave band, it's directional. And typically, the way the radio should point, their antenna should point, is antenna is usually in this direction, so you want the radio to point that direction. So let's try tuning it again with it pointing that way. Okay. Turn the volume up a little bit.
They're going to push him around. So if you can't establish the run,
there we go. That one's here.
you're in trouble. We have seen so far.
Oh well.
Ohio State cannot rely on the passing game.
I guess that station is south of me. So it's not doing too good on AM in my office. Okay, that's AM. Let's go to FM. And there is no telescopic antenna, nothing. No antenna connector, nothing. So here we go. So I shouldn't be directional now, I'm on FM. Music. It's struggling. Even on, when it gets a strong station, it does fine. So it's struggling. Let me stop on one of these weak stations. I gotta find one first. Oh, that's the end of the band. Wow, that didn't do too good. Let's go back. That's music, so I can't stay there. Can't stay there. There we go.
All you can ride from noon to 5 p.m. for only $15. Last man sold at 4 p.m.
Not directional.
BIN, the Black Information Network.
Got a lot of AC hum. Okay, let's turn this down. I'm going to look at Jeff's notes. He says that he got this off of eBay for $25. He thought it was interesting. So he really didn't buy it for the radio reception. He bought it for the way it looked. And like I say, it looks very much without the handle and the cutter. It looks very much like a can opener. I mean, if I had one of those old can openers, I bet you the dimensions are very, very close. So it's not a can opener, it's a radio. It doesn't do too good, at least in my office. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would like for you to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my shows in Jeff's radios. Have a great day. Bye-bye.